What's up, guys? Kyle here with No Tie Required. All right, we are back at it with another crypto video. All right, we were actually planning on releasing an Amazon FBA video. That's going to have to take a backseat to showing tomorrow because we had a lot of people wanting more crypto talk. Yesterday's Ethereum video was by far our most viewed video, and that's what the people want, so that's what we're going to give you guys. All right, so what are we talking about today? Well, you got to stick around to find out about that. Actually, I'm probably giving it away in the title. I haven't made the title up yet for this video, but it's probably being given away in the title, so we're just going to say it anyway. We're talking Chainlink. All right, I am super bullish on Chainlink. It is my second biggest holding that I have, so let's just get in the video. Let's go. All right, perfect, guys. So yes, we are talking Chainlink, all right? And yesterday we talked about Ethereum, okay? And you guys know at this point, I love me some Ethereum. Apparently a lot of other people do too, because we're getting a lot of people asking us for more videos actually regarding Ethereum. We will do some more of those. We will talk more about Ethereum, but not for this video. For this one right here, we are talking Chainlink, all right? So if you recall yesterday, I called Ethereum the chosen one, all right? I said it was destined to bring balance to people's wallets. It is the Anakin Skywalker of the crypto space. All right, and I'm a huge Star Wars fan, so I can't help it. I got to weave it in when I can, right? But I want to talk about Chainlink basically being, I guess I would say, the Harry Potter of the crypto space. It's the other chosen one. All right, I think that there's two chosen ones in this standpoint right here: Ethereum and Chainlink. I think Chainlink has massive potential, massive upside, and I love me some Harry Potter too. So I gotta weave that in when I get a chance to, right? But I want to talk about Chainlink in this one right here because I do believe that there is huge upside. So let's dive into my screen right now. We're gonna talk what is Chainlink, what does it do, why I'm so bullish on it, and where I think it could potentially get to. Let's do it. All right, perfect, guys. So we are on CoinMarketCap. As I talked about yesterday, any newbies, if you want a tutorial on just CoinMarketCap and kind of how to get into these markets and everything, we can certainly do that. Basically, CoinMarketCap is, it's going to give you all of your readouts in terms of data, what's going on in the market, what are the prices at, what are the different market capitalizations for each one of these, is it up, is it down? Excuse me, all that type of stuff. So as you can see, actually today is a down day. We got a sea of red basically going on. There's a few that are, Cardano just continues to keep running. I love Cardano as well, so we could talk about that in a future one if you want to. But the rest of the market kind of down a little bit, so maybe not a bad day to to buy. Guys, don't buy when everything's at an all-time high or everything's running. Buy when it dips down a little bit and make up that extra difference right there. So right down here at number 9 is Chainlink, okay? And I've been buying into Chainlink ever since it was about $7 to $8, right around in there. So, and I've just kind of been buying it on the way up, dollar cost averaging, buying it on the way up because I believe that this thing has massive potential. This thing has legs for the entire bull run, and I think it's going to run wild. I mean, I really do. I think it is going to absolutely explode. I actually do think that there's going to be a bit of an explosion here in February, but I think towards the end of the year, as we get closer, September, October timeframe, I think this thing is going to be massive. All right. So I want to dive in and talk a little bit about what Chainlink actually is. So let's get their website pulled up here. All right, and we are in Chainlink right here, and we're actually going to go to their website because I want to talk about what Chainlink is, what it does, why I think it's super important. Okay, perfect, guys. So we're in Chainlink's website right here, and we're not going to get down to like the super nitty gritty and like down to all the different details and everything, but just know this. Look, first and foremost, you're going to see that Chainlink has some, actually, you know what, let's talk about it very, very quickly, and then we're going to talk about the partnerships, because that's the part that gets really, really exciting, and that's what makes me believe that this thing is going to be massive when it really starts running. Okay, so basically you can see right here, it is an Oracle network that is going to help provide reliable and tamper-proof inputs and outputs. In layman's terms, what is that? Basically, it is going to help pass information much quicker, much more steadily, and much easier in between companies, in between individuals. Anytime that there is some kind of a smart contract, everything gets passed much, much easier instead of going through all of these different obstacles and having to get checked over by individual people. So it revolutionizes that entire information transfer, I guess, if you will. So it's going to make things so much easier, so much simpler, so much quicker. Okay, this is going to be massively, massively important, and here's why I want to talk about that. Okay, because oracles in general are some of the biggest money makers for, I mean, big companies. Oracle, the the company Oracle would be one of them. Oracles are obviously a huge part of their business. They make a lot of money on that. Other companies, IBM, these are all companies that rely on oracles for a vast majority of their business. And somebody like Chainlink being able to come in and revolutionize how all that data is transferred and how everything goes is going to be a game changer. Chainlink is at the forefront of all this. They are the first one. I don't know if they were the first one to market, but they are definitely at the top of the market for it. They do have competition. They've got some competition that is coming up, but I think that they are so far out ahead of everybody else. I really do think that Chainlink is absolutely going to be a massive winner during all of this. This is the really exciting part for me, and this is what I really want to get into. So as we scroll down through here a little bit further, here we go. Okay. So look at some of these partnerships that they have got. I'm big on Aave and Synthetix. I actually have both of those in my portfolio as well. And I'm looking into these two right here, Celsius and Yearn Finance as well. But you start looking at companies that are using this. Aave is a blue chip crypto. I mean, Aave is right up there, guys. You need to look into that project if you haven't already. Easily available to be able to get, and it's a blue chip. I mean, that is in the crypto space. That is a big one to definitely take a look at. Synthetix is going to be a huge one as well. That's one that I have a holding in myself. But look at this, the Mac Daddy right there. Look at that, Google. Okay, I don't care what part of Google's business they are using this for. It's good all the way around, okay? Anytime that you have Google using your product, anytime you have a partnership with Google, one of the biggest companies in the world, that can't hurt. I mean, that's got to be helpful for your business. This is the type of stuff that really makes me excited about it, because they have a true roadmap of what they want to do. They have a tremendous use case, okay? Just like we talked about before, Bitcoin is digital gold. Ethereum has a use case because it is the platform that all these other cryptos are being built on. Chainlink has a use case with their digital oracles, okay? It is going to be massive, I believe, at least. Again, this is not professional financial advice. Take it with a grain of salt. Do what you want to do. However, I do believe that there is a massive upside for this. Anytime that you are linked up with a company like Aave, which is a massively important crypto, let's actually just jump out here real quick and take a look where Aave is positioned currently, because like I said, they are a big one. Yeah, they're a top 20 crypto. My internet's running a little bit slow, so I can't get you. There we go. Aave's number 15 right now. I mean, huge market cap. They're a big project. They are going to do huge things. Synthetix is not far behind, and it's one of the ones that I'm most bullish on as well. Sitting right here, I believe it's either top 25 or just outside of the top 25. So you've got a couple of huge projects running Oracle as one of their main components that they're using. I mean, not Oracle, Chainlink. I'm sorry, guys. I keep intermixing the two of them, but you get the point. Chainlink is going to be big. I believe that blockchain oracles are the way of the future. I believe it is going to be massively important moving forward in the way that we transfer data and transfer information. And that's what makes me so bullish on it. So what do I believe? What do I believe is a good price target for Chainlink? Well, right now Chainlink was sitting at like just below 25 bucks, I think, right? Is that where it was today? Yeah, just below 25 bucks. That's nowhere near where it's going. I truly believe this is easily going to get well past $100. I think it could go upwards of $500 per Chainlink, okay, before the end of this year. And that might sound like I'm crazy. That might sound like, wow, you're just dreaming. What is that? I mean, that's what, 20 times where it's at right now, something like that. Guys, I truly believe that this project, once it really gets going, is going to have massive potential, okay? So if it was me, I wouldn't miss out on this one right here. Again, that's not professional financial advice. That is something that you guys have to make your own decisions. You have to do what is ever in the best interest of you and your wallet. However, I believe, like Ethereum, this is the second one I am most bullish on. This is the chosen one. This is the one to take to the bank with you and laugh all the way to the bank when people are telling you you're crazy for investing into crypto. All you got to tell them is, I got some ETH and I got some Chainlink, and you're all set. Excuse me. So Chainlink actually is my second largest holding that I have behind Ethereum. It actually is above Bitcoin, okay? So that's how bullish I am on Chainlink. Again, I look at it from a potential of not only use case, it has a tremendous use case, but I also look at it, the potential gains that it could bring investors is massive, okay? As we talked about in the one yesterday, Bitcoin has big potential. However, the amount of gains, if you were to buy in right now, are not as significant as what you could get if you were to buy into Ethereum or Chainlink at this point. So, guys, that's all I've got. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.